Andrew walked into my class, and then everybody in my team know who is he, but I do not know. And then they got excited. They said, "Hey, this guy come and disturb your class." And so he came into my class. He was convinced. He signed up. And then how many properties? You have got a property already?
2 already.
Okay, and he has gotten 2 properties till now. Yeah. That's really awesome, yeah. So I know how to play the local game very well from here to the next maybe 5-10 years. If I could go into e-commerce, if I could invest in REITs, if I could invest in shares, if I could invest in business, and all of them become a passive income, and then from that income I use it to convert into property, now all the fluctuating income become a steady income. And that is what me and Andrew believe that should be the way moving forward.
Now brings up a question. When they are looking at, they are hearing our stories now,
yes.
You are saying, hey, this kind of deals don't come too often.
Correct.
But in truth, now, COVID-19 situation or post-COVID,
yes.
Let's not talk about launches, but finding property deals that can invest and make money.
A lot. Easy. A lot and easy.